Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Tiana, the makeup realtor, and I'm here with you guys to bring you another video. And in this video, it's going to be all about how to start your own business because you've been procrastinating. I know it, and I'm here to tell you, let it go. Let that energy go. And let's get right into the video. So, first of all, I just wanted to let you know that the person that's standing in your way is nobody other than you. If you haven't started your business yet, it's because you have told yourself that you aren't good enough, that it's not going to be successful, and that it won't work for you. And those are all lies. Everybody else believes in you, and you need to believe in yourself too. Do is establish a clear plan. You want to make sure that you know in your mind that you have a clear concept of what type of business you want to have. Once you have that down, I suggest writing it down. So of course, the next step will be to create a business plan. And I think that the smart thing to do when you're creating a business plan is obviously to make like a 2-year projection. So you want to make sure that you got yourself lined up for 2 years. Like, when I start off, I want to start off with this or doing this. And then in about 6 months, I want to make sure I include this. Or I want to add this to my line, add this to my services, add this to my product line. And so you want to do that, and you want to just basically pace yourself so that by that 2-year mark, you have succeeded and progressed from the beginning stages until now. So it's a slope, if you will. Next thing you want to do is, if you need to, if you have like a product-based line, or if you have something where you're going to be providing and selling stuff, you want to go ahead and take this time to find your vendors. And that can be via Instagram, that can be on Alibaba, that can be on DHgate, that can be on Google, like whatever way you choose to find your vendors. If you pay somebody for a vendor list, whichever way you choose to do it, it's all up to you. But just make sure it's done, because you don't want to start your business and then worry about trying to find vendors at the last minute, because that's just not the way you do it. The next thing you want to do is establish your business. And by that, I mean you want to make sure that you're set up for success. You want to make sure that you set up with Uncle Tom, and you want to make sure that your business is legitimate, okay? So you want to either establish yourself as a sole proprietorship or a S corp, or you want to establish yourself as an LLC. I'm established as a limited liability company. That's what LLC stands for. And basically, it just sets yourself up for success later on in life when you need to prove your income and you want to prove that you're actually a legitimate business owner. So you want to go ahead and get that taken care of. You want to pay Uncle Tom his little 2 cents before he comes and wrings your neck for it. And you just want to be successful and you want to be professional. So do it the right way, because you don't want it to catch up to you later. The next thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and make your business cards. You want to get those printed out, because you never know who you're going to run into. You never know what type of conversations you're going to have. You never know when your first order is going to come. And so you want to make sure that you have yourself a business card, because that is the best way and the most effective way of communicating and also providing information about yourself and your business to other people and to the public. And so here's just an example of my business card. I own Glam Squad Cosmetics, as a lot of people know, and if you don't know, go check out some of the other videos on my channel. This is just the front of my card, and then this is the back of my card. It just has all of my social media. It has tag us to be featured, and then a way that you can get in contact with me via email, and my slogan at the bottom. I just simply designed this on Canva, and then I uploaded it to Vistaprint and let them print it out. You can go to Vistaprint and design it directly from Vistaprint, or you can also do what I did. I went to Canva and designed it and uploaded it on Vistaprint and printed it out. Or you can have a graphic designer or anybody that you know that does business cards, or print shop in your local market. They can print it out for you. So many different ways to go about getting business cards. I just think that the moral of the story is you need to have them, so get you some. Also, I'm a real estate agent, so I have those as well. I had this on hand, so I showed it to you guys. Also, I'm going ahead and plug myself. Follow me on social media. Also, shop my site at hushbeautybarspa.com. I sell cosmetics, lipsticks, lip glosses, eyeshadows, liners, glitters, everything, sis. Everything that you can do to beautify yourself is on there, so go check it out. the next thing you want to do after that is go ahead and set up your social media sites. You want to go ahead and definitely get an IG. If you're popular and you're pumping on Facebook, which I am, my business really does well on Facebook, so I have a Facebook page. You also may want to get a Snapchat. So just any type of thriving social media page, you want to go ahead and establish that, and make sure that you come up with a theme for yourself so that your whole social media posts are always cohesive and everything goes together and it flows, and you're building a brand rather than just randomly uploading random stuff that has nothing to do with each other. So the last thing that I would say that you want to do is go ahead and create your website. Now you have different ways of, you know, creating websites. Now they have Wix, they have Shopify, they have WordPress. I have WordPress and I use that and Bluehost as my domain and for my shop. But, you know, to each his own. I guess you'll just have to decide what type of business you have, whether it's product based, which would be good for Shopify or WordPress, or if you have a actual service base, and you just have to figure out which one works better for what you're offering. And then after that, you are all ready to go. The last thing that I would say that you need to make sure that you do is to keep all of your receipts, because you never know what you're going to need when it comes time to file taxes. And so you want to obviously write off all of your expenses that you have and things like that. So the only way you can do that is if you keep all of your receipts to know what your expenses were. And so that's all I have for y'all today. Let me know if there's anything that I may have missed or something else that you want to know that I did not cover in the video down below in the comments. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe to my video. If you have not already, click that notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. And until next time, I love you guys. Talk to you later. Goodbye.